Ellie, shoot! It's on TV! Oh my gosh, it's on TV! Oh, why am I not showing it? I can do it on TV, actually, guys.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles over the severe thunderstorm will be near. Crossland winds are around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Always around 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Kingsport around 8:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Downtown Suffolk around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Elwood, Bose, Lummis, Kilby, Suffolk Airport, Nerdy, and Saunders. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.